Dear students, in this video we are discussing about electrophilic addition reactions. That is the reaction in which electrophiles are added. Okay, in electrophilic addition reactions, reaction intermediate is carbocation. Rate of this reaction is proportional to stability of carbocation. That is, stability of carbocation increases means rate of reaction increases. So which of the following reaction takes place fastly? If there is such a question, then we have to search for which reactant produces more stable carbocation. That will be the answer for that question. So don't forget, rate of reaction is proportional to stability of carbocation. In these reactions, first step is nothing but addition of E plus. What is E plus? E plus means electrophiles. That is why the name of this reaction is electrophilic addition reaction. In this video, mainly we are discussing about hydrohalogenation, addition of HX in alkenes. Okay, we have to note 2 points: Markovnikov addition, and second one is nothing but rearrangement for stable carbocation. That is nothing but hydride shift or methyl shift. Okay, phenyl shift also there, but we are considering hydride and methyl shift, which are very important in the aspect of NEET examinations. Here CH2 double bond CH2, when treated with a HBr, we know that the product is nothing but CH2 single bond CH2, one hydrogen comes here and Br comes here, that is CH3 CH2 Br is the product. Now I am going to discuss the mechanism behind this reaction. That is, listen here, CH2 double bond CH2 gives the positive part of HBr is nothing but H plus and the negative part is nothing but Br minus. H plus means, what is H plus? H plus means electron deficient. Br minus is electron rich. So among this, H plus is electrophile. Why H plus is electrophile? It is electron deficient. That is why it will search for electrons. Okay, electron loving species are called electrophiles. So what happens here? In first step, in presence of H plus or electrophile, this electron pair will be shifted to this carbon or this carbon, both are same. Okay, as a result of this shifting, what happens? This carbon gets positive charge and this carbon gets negative charge. This H plus will be attracted towards this carbon. CH2 single bond. This bond is broken due to heterolysis. What is heterolysis? Electron pair completely shifted towards this carbon. And this carbon gets a positive charge. This carbon gets a negative charge. That type of bond fission, covalent bond fission, is known as heterolysis. Okay, so what is the intermediate formed as a result of this CH2 plus single bond? It becomes CH3, that is CH3 CH2 plus. Okay, this is ethyl carbocation. So this is the reaction intermediate in this case. So in next step, what happens? Br minus negatively charged species that is attracted towards this carbon. As a result of that one, the product is nothing but CH3. This CH3 I have written, single bond, this single bond, then CH2, this CH2, there is bromine or bromide on this CH2 plus. So the product is CH3CH2Br. Next, Markovnikov's addition. The addition as per Markovnikov's rule. Okay, that is the addition of HX, for example HBr, on an unsymmetrical alkene. What is unsymmetrical alkene? If the number of carbon atoms on either sides of double bond is different, those types of alkenes are known as unsymmetrical alkene. Okay, the simplest example for Markovnikov's addition, listen here, CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2. Okay, then what happens when propene is treated with HBr? We have to explain the mechanism of this one. Two types of shifting is possible in this case. See case 1, CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2. Okay, if electron is shifted towards to this carbon, then this carbon gets positive charge, this carbon gets negative charge. Okay, so electrophilic addition, that means H plus, positively charged H plus will be attached to this negatively charged carbon. Intermediate formed is nothing but CH3 single bond CH minus and H plus CH2 single bond CH2 plus. One carbocation is formed, that is N-propyl carbocation. Now CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2 in presence of H plus, if the shifting is towards to this carbon gets negative charge and this carbon gets positive charge. Okay, positively charged electrophile will be attached to this negatively charged carbon. CH3 single bond CH single bond CH3, a positive charge on this carbon. This is a secondary carbocation. This is N-propyl carbocation. This is isopropyl carbocation. Now, this is a primary carbocation. This is a secondary carbocation. Okay, you know that tertiary is more stable than secondary, which is more stable than primary. This is the order of stability. We have discussed in detail the order of stabilities of different types of carbocations in my previous videos. Okay, you just go through the videos before coming to electrophilic addition reaction. Okay, so tertiary is more stable than secondary, which is more stable than primary. So secondary is more stable than primary. This carbocation is formed as a minor product and this carbocation is formed as a major intermediate products. Okay, then we can predict what will be the product of the reaction, that is CH3 single bond CH single bond CH3, this positively charged carbon. So Br minus will come towards to this positively charged carbon and the product will be 2-bromopropane. This is nothing but Markovnikov's addition. So this is not the correct mechanism, this is the correct mechanism. The shortcut of this mechanism is nothing but Markovnikov's rule. What is Markovnikov's rule? If HBr is added on an unsymmetrical alkene, H plus or positive part of HBr will go towards the carbon carrying maximum number of hydrogen atom. Okay, listen, this product, here 2 hydrogen atoms, here 1 hydrogen atom. So H plus will go towards the carbon carrying maximum hydrogen already. Okay, and Br minus will go towards the carbon carrying minimum number of hydrogen atom. That is nothing but Markovnikov rule. The addition obeying Markovnikov rule is nothing but Markovnikov's addition. Okay, let us discuss some questions regarding this one. CH3 single bond C double bond CH2. Then one CH3 is present here. This compound is known as isobutylene. We have discussed about this compound in previous video. Now listen here. When this compound is treated with HBr. HBr means H plus and Br minus. Okay. H plus is the electrophile. In presence of H plus, electron pair will be shifted towards this carbon, and this carbon gets a negative charge. This carbon gets a positive charge. Okay. If the shifting was in opposite direction, what will be happened? This carbon gets negative charge and this carbon gets positive charge. In this case, H plus will be attached to this carbon. This is nothing but electromeric effect. Electromeric effect. Okay. Plus electromeric effect or plus E effect. As a result of this one, this carbocation is formed. This is a tertiary carbocation which is more stable than secondary, which is more stable than primary. If the shifting was in opposite direction, this carbon will get negative charge and H plus will come towards this carbon. Okay. This carbon will be the carbocation, that will be the primary carbocation, which will be least stable than tertiary. Okay. So in next step, then what will be the product? Definitely Br minus will go towards this carbon. Tert-butyl bromide, a tertiary alkyl halide, will be the product in this case. Okay, now I have given two questions here, but this is not hydrohalogenation but hydration, addition of water. Okay, addition of water in presence of dilute acid is also an example for electrophilic addition. The same method, that is Markovnikov addition, takes place in this case also. So, which is the electrophile in H2O? H plus is the electrophile. Okay. So, electron shifting will be towards this carbon and this gets negative charge, this gets positive charge. Hydrogen will come towards to this carbon. OH comes here. Okay. Propan 2-ol or isopropyl alcohol is the major product in this case. In this case also, in the second case also, electron shifting will be coming here. Here it is positive charge, negative charge, and the H plus comes towards to this carbon. Then the product is tert-butyl alcohol is the product in this reaction. Okay. So you can compare hydration and hydrohalogenation. Both are in similar manner. Now look at this question. What will be the product of this reaction? Electron shifting will be in this direction, H plus and Br minus, and H plus will come towards this carbon. Which carbocation is formed? Listen here, CH2 becomes CH3 and this carbon gets a positive charge. This carbocation is a tertiary carbocation which is more stable. This one is the product, that is Br minus will be attached to this carbon. This is the major product.